How to select rows with NaN in particular column? Given this data frame, how to select only those rows that have col2 equal to NaN? Which looks like. The result should be this one.
Try the following.
At Xanker provided the most idiomatic method emo. Here are a few alternatives.
If you want to select rows with at least one NaN value, then you could use isNa plus any on axis equals 1. If you want to select rows with a certain number of NaN values, then you could use isNa plus sum on axis equals 1 plus gt. For example, the following will fetch rows with at least 2 NaN values. If you want to limit the check to specific columns, you could select them first, then check. If you want to select rows with all NaN values, you could use isNa plus all on axis equals 1. If you want to select rows with no NaN values, you could note NaN plus all on axis equals 1. This is equivalent to which could become tedious if there are many columns. Instead, you could use functools.reduce to chain and operators, or numpy.logical underscore and .reduce. If you're looking for filter the rows where there is no NaN in some column using query, you could do so by using engine equals Python parameter. Or use the fact that NaN not equal NaN like at maxu, stop war against UA.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.